This video is to demonstrate the enhancements and changes to the CARS application developed by Automotive Warranty Network. The new web address for the new CARS system is cars2.awninc.com. When you initially log in, you will notice that we've eliminated the Overview, Dashboard, and Reports tab and consolidated them down into one Dashboard tab. This is to simplify the operation of the system and eliminate some redundancies. When you first enter the dashboard, you're going to see the same thing you saw when you enter CARS1 on the Overview tab. Compliance is needing a response. These are items that you have not yet responded to, so this is more of your to-do, if you will, that we're still needing answers from you on. For this demonstration, we'll use the test RO that we've created here, and you can simply highlight the entry, and everything now loads over to the right in a few different tabs. The details of the entry and why we put it in there, and then the comments, if there's any file attachments, and then once it's resolved, the status of how it was resolved. You can also access these tabs through a shortcut by just clicking on the comment tab right here in line. Clicking on this will automatically bring you over to the tab with the comments and the comment history. This is where you're going to enter your comment that we put in here for you. So this is where you would want to respond. Comments updated on RO, let's say, and you're going to hit the submit. It's going to put the comments in line just like it always has in CARS1, and at that point your screen should refresh. It takes that item out of view for you so that you know you've already dealt with it and it's not in your to-do list any longer. To get to compliances that are still open that you've already responded to, let's just say you want to add another response, you can drop down here next to compliances needing response and go to all or open compliance ROs. Now we can see that our test RO is still in here even though we've already responded to it. And if you wanted to add another comment, you could click here and add another comment. And then it goes into the thread just like it always has. To access reporting features, we've rebranded that at this point. Again, here in the drop-down to go to all compliances. This is going to show you historically everything we've ever logged for you. So if you a couple weeks down the road, a couple months down the road, if you're looking for a specific RO and what the comment history was back and forth between our company and your dealership was, you could find it here, and you can filter to it by clicking on these little filter icons and searching for the RO that you want to find. So in this case, test RO, close the filter, and there's the RO. And again, you can click on the comments to see the comment history that went back and forth between us and your dealership. To clear these filters, you just right here, X out of the filter to show you once again all compliances. To get back to compliances needing response, just again, simply click on the blue arrow and go back to compliances needing response. Every time we log a compliance for you, you're also going to receive an email with the details of that response. So when I initially logged this particular one, I got an email in my inbox, and this is what you would see: new compliance on RO, test RO. And by clicking on that, we've cleaned up the emails to look a little bit nicer. You can reply to this entry just by simply hitting the reply button and typing in your response. And the system is smart enough to pick that up and again thread it into that comment history that we just looked at in the application itself. I would advise against that if possible. I find the web interface a lot easier to use, and it keeps you from having to weed through your inbox if you haven't answered anything in a day or two. You can just simply log into the application and see what you have, the information that we're needing from you. If you're assigned to multiple dealerships, you can switch between dealerships by using this little switch dealer button next to the dealership name, and it's going to give you the dealerships that you're assigned to. So once you've dealt with the compliance for demo, if you wanted to switch to, say, test dealership, which there won't be any data in here, but once you switch, the dashboard now becomes relevant to test dealer and not demo dealer. The last thing I'll mention here is we did add a My Account up in the upper right hand corner. So if you don't like the default password that we've set up for you, you can click My Account, come in here to change your password to something maybe more memorable. Or if your email address changes, you can also change your email address to which you want the email to go to for yourself. So that's really it. We've really tried to simplify the application. If you have any questions on the usage of this, I'd be happy to help you out. I'm David Reinecke, and my phone number is 720-339-1702. And my email address is david@awninc.com. Thank you very much.